No, don't bring tape, don't bring the arm. Like that. Okay.
Number 2.
Right. Right. Then I file mark 1. Not mark 2 yet. Don't go in that.
No, I'll put this.
All
No,
this
that
is chains,
mark it, you can file, you can
reaction, all kind of.
mark it, take a file and mark it 1, 2. You can mix up the design and them.
All this for engine.
If it are moving out.
That wouldn't move out.
No, if it are moving out.
Yeah, wait, oh.
Yeah, if it are moving out, you mix up.
No, I ain't gonna put my name.
Yeah, we'll try it. You might as well.
Right?
What it is, and then move out, you go in back and then you mix up now.
Oh, yeah,
With the mark it there.
No, alright, hold on. Let me get a file.
Right.
Never see two like this,
And then
neither.
mix up the trouble.
I never see two like this, neither. Damn. You know, I went on white and I holding all this oil thing. I know, check myself. What? Wait, this is parts for the van. I thought I was tools, you. Lord have mercy. Wait, so it's about difference?
Yeah. Can't go outside trouble. Back and
You could basically looking. Oh, no. This one have more curves than that one. Number 1 have more curves.
yeah, this one.
Number 2 have.
So close, you can't mix it up.
Okay. So that
You can't bend it like that, you never.
I number 2.
Let me see it. What's that?
Number 1. This is number 1.
This is number 2, right?
No,
Yeah.
yeah. Everybody, but you can see it there. You have fire boy.
Then number 2 or number 1?
Number 2.
Okay. Well, die 2, die 1.
And then you can see that, right? Watch.
Right.
1.
Alright, hold on.
Mark 1.
I know, I know talking about our. Now realize how I know my JC.